Hello, good morning everyone. How are you all?
Good morning, ma'am.
Very good morning, Mariam. सो गाइस, आज का सेशन उन लोगों के लिए है जो एमसीक्यूज में कंफ्यूज हो जाते हैं। ऑप्शंस देख के दिमाग बिल्कुल हैंग हो जाता है। तो आज के सेशन का गोल बिल्कुल सिंपल है कि आप एमसीक्यूज को समझ पाओगे डीपली, प्लस गेस वर्क। ये जो हम गेस कर लेते हैं ना कि ये आंसर करेक्ट होगा या ये आंसर करेक्ट होगा, ये बिल्कुल बंद। स्मार्ट एलिमिनेशन स्ट्रैटेजीज को अप्लाई करेंगे और सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट, कॉन्फिडेंस बिल्ड करना बहुत जरूरी है इन योर आइल्स। सो आई प्रॉमिस कि आफ्टर दिस सेशन, बाय द एंड ऑफ दिस सेशन, यू विल बी एबल टू improve at least your one band। और एमसीक्यूज से डर तो बिल्कुल खत्म हो जाएगा, क्योंकि एमसीक्यूज में सबसे बड़ा प्रॉब्लम क्या होता है? ए ऑप्शन आएगा, बहुत सारे ऑप्शंस, 4 ऑप्शंस लिखे होंगे, कंफ्यूजिंग। बी ऑप्शन, टाइम नहीं मिलेगा। सी ऑप्शन, पैसेज नहीं समझ आएगा। डी ऑप्शन, आप सारी चीजें सोचने लग जाओगे कि था क्या इसमें। तो एग्जैक्टली एमसीक्यूज का रियल प्रॉब्लम है ऑल ऑप्शंस को लुक, और आपको सारे के सारे वो करेक्ट लिखते हैं। सो आइल्स आपकी एक चीज को टेस्ट नहीं करता, इट एक्चुअली चेक्स योर प्रिसाइज रीडिंग, कि आप रीड कैसे कर रहे हो, समझ कैसे रहे हो उसे। क्लियर? बिफोर स्टार्टिंग द टॉपिक, किसी को कोई भी क्वेरी है तो प्लीज लेट मी नो। यस, एनीवन? नो? सो लेट्स स्टार्ट टुडेस टॉपिक। नाउ व्हाट इज एमसीक्यू? एमसीक्यू होता क्या है, कैसे आता है ये रीडिंग में? यस, एनीवन? आइल्स रीडिंग में एमसीक्यूज कैसे आते हैं, क्या फॉर्मेट होता है? यस हरप्रीत, हरप्रीत आर यू देयर? कुशल?
Yes, ma'am.
यस, व्हाट इज द
They will
फॉर्म?
give the
हम्म
they will give the questions like four to four questions. Then we should uh, give one option.
So what is the core strategy you apply when you solve these type of question? What is your strategy? How do you find the answers?
Keywords, ma'am.
Keywords. So you look for the
Yeah,
keywords which are there in the question, and then you find the answer. Is it easy for you?
yeah, ma'am. Yeah, and even the
Okay.
eliminating method.
Then you do the eliminating process also. Now, what is the
Yeah.
core strategy? जब हम मल्टीपल चॉइस करते हैं ना, सबसे पहला रूल हमारा ये है कि हम अपने क्वेश्चंस को रीड करेंगे, पैसेज को नहीं
Yes, ma'am.
करेंगे।
Yes, ma'am.
क्वेश्चंस को रीड करने से आपके ब्रेन को ये डायरेक्शन मिलती है कि आपको फाइंड क्या करना है। कीवर्ड्स,
Key,
कीवर्ड्स आपको सिर्फ हंट करने में हेल्प करते हैं कि यस, आपका स्टेटमेंट या यहां पर गिवन है। नाउ सपोज अगर आपका क्वेश्चन है, इफ दिस इज योर क्वेश्चन, व्हाट इज द मेन रीजन फॉर? सो इसमें क्या कीवर्ड है?
main reason.
बट इफ यू डू नॉट गेट द सेम कीवर्ड इन द पैसेज, देन कैसे फाइंड आउट करोगे आंसर? बिकॉज दिस कीवर्ड इज नॉट अ नेम, इट्स नॉट अ
Yes, ma'am.
नंबर।
For meaning, we should.
So some keywords, they help you to locate, they help you to hunt that process. But sometimes in these type of MCQ, like the question is, what is the main reason for? आगे जो कीवर्ड आएगा, that will help you in finding. But अगर आपका क्वेश्चन सिर्फ ये है, so that means
Ma'am,
आपका
but
focus, yes कुशल?
if you study any paragraph one or two, every paragraph have main point, right, ma'am?
But again, you have to demote twice in reading part. We do not have such time to read. We have to
Yes,
manage
ma'am.
our time. So what you need to analyze is कि जब भी हम क्वेश्चन को रीड करते हैं, we have to make sure कि यहाँ पर क्या मेंशन है. The question says what is the
Okay.
main reason for. So main reason means the focus should be on the main idea, the cause, the reason.
Important, yeah.
There are three different things in this one statement, in this one question. So वो तीन चीजें क्या है जब हम MCQ फाइंड करेंगे, द आंसर फाइंड आउट करेंगे. आवर फोकस शुड बी ऑन द मेन रीजन, मतलब मेन आइडिया. उसका मेन कॉज
Okay.
क्या है, उसका मेन रीजन क्या है. इन दिस वे यू हैव टू डू द कीवर्ड्स का हंटिंग. ठीक है. थर्ड थिंग इज
Okay.
एलिमिनेशन का सिलेक्शन. करेक्ट आंसर ढूंढने से बेटर है सबसे पहले आप रॉन्ग को एलिमिनेट करो. राइट. रॉन्ग को
Yes, ma'am.
एलिमिनेट करने से आपके पास करेक्ट ऑप्शंस की चॉइसेस कम हो जाती है. यू हैव 4 ऑप्शंस. आपने 2 को भी अगर एलिमिनेट कर दिया बिकॉज यू बिलीव ये दोनों रॉन्ग है, आपने उन दोनों को एलिमिनेट करा, यू आर लेफ्ट विद ओनली 2. Now you can decide better which is the correct. But remember, there are some tricky words. और वो tricky words क्या होते हैं? Extreme words. Extreme words क्या होते
Yes,
हैं?
ma'am.
We have
Extreme
already
words
done
means,
that.
yeah, ma'am.
পঞ্চায়েতে পার লিজন তো ডাক ভাতে
Yes. What are the extreme
Means
words?
many members, few members,
Hmm.
few, many.
always
It's always,
Yeah.
never, completely, often.
Yeah.
So these words, they change the
only
entire meaning of your sentence. Third thing is paraphrase. सेम वर्ड्स नहीं मिलेंगे. एज आई टोल्ड यू, व्हाट इज द मेन रीजन. जरूरी नहीं है कि आपको पैराग्राफ में मेन रीजन ही कीवर्ड गिवन. सेम मीनिंग मिलेगा, सेम वर्ड्स नहीं मिलेंगे. सो यू हैव टू लुक कि अगर प्रॉब्लम्स दिए तो वहां इश्यूज होगा, वहां चैलेंजेस होगा. मेन रीजन है तो वहां उसका मेन आइडिया गिवन होगा, कॉज होगा, रीजन होगा. राइट. वन लाइन में आंसर आपको नहीं मिलेगा. इट्स नॉट ऑलवेज कि आंसर एक ही लाइन में, 2-3 लाइन में भी हो सकता है. यू हैव टू डू द स्किमिंग. क्लियर? Yes, please. So first thing will be that we will read the questions first so that we get an idea कि हमें find क्या करना है. Second part is the keywords hunting. कि कीवर्ड है क्या, हमें फाइंड क्या करना है, व्हाट इज द मेन रीजन फॉर, मेन आइडिया क्या है, कॉज क्या है, रीजन क्या है इसका. देन एलिमिनेशन हम सिलेक्ट करेंगे, रॉन्ग को एलिमिनेट करेंगे पहले एंड देन वी विल फाइंड आउट द करेक्ट आंसर. ट्रिकी वर्ड्स जो हमारे एक्सट्रीम वर्ड्स है, यू नीड टू बी फोकस्ड ऑन दैट बिकॉज वो आपके स्टेटमेंट के एंटायर मीनिंग को चेंज कर देते. Fourth thing, you need to look for your paraphrase statement. Same words नहीं मिलेंगे. You have to look for the same meaning. And answers एक line में नहीं होते. You need to look for 2-3 lines in MCQ. So let's do first a easy level का practice. Then we will be doing a live practice from the application.
Okay.
It's visible to all.
Yes, ma'am.
So what is one benefit of working from home? So what we need to find in
Improves
our question, हमें find क्या करना है?
benefit.
Benefit,
B ma'am
advantage, pros, right? किसके find करने हैं? Working from home के. Yes. Now start reading. Why it's the B1? Who will explain why it's the B1?
मैम उसमें लिखा हुआ है कैन मैनेज देयर ओन शेड्यूल.
Sorry. Somebody was speaking. Yes, please. You need to be little loud. Yes.
मैम वो बता रहे हैं कि
मैम
इसमें
उसमें लिखा
मेंशन
हुआ है
है कि
एम्प्लॉइज कैन मैनेज देयर ओन शेड्यूल.
Own schedules.
Sonu, your voice is not clear. Yes, Avrish, please speak.
यस मैम वो उसमें मेंशन है कि एम्प्लॉयज कैन मैनेज देयर ओन शेड्यूल
So many people believe that working from home improves productivity because employees can manage their own schedules. So passage बोल रहा है, the paragraph says that they can manage their own schedules. So क्या they are talking about less work? Are they talking about less work? A option.
No.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Are they talking about flexible schedule?
Yes, ma'am.
Because they are
Yes, ma'am.
managing their own schedule. तो जब आप manage करते हो, here's a paraphrase statement. Same words नहीं मिलेंगे, same meaning मिलेगा. So when you manage your own schedule, that means you have a flexible schedule. No distractions. No distractions. C option. Is
No,
this?
ma'am.
It is present there,
No,
but
ma'am.
it's the opposite. Distractions, देखो exist यहाँ पर mention
Yes,
है ना.
ma'am.
Some studies suggest that distractions at home may reduce efficiency. So this is what they're talking about, the opposite part. And D, higher salary. It's not mentioned in the paragraph. ये तो mention ही नहीं है वहां पे. So this we will eliminate. अभी ये easy level है, तभी आपको आपका answer बहुत quickly मिल गया. Otherwise you have to apply the elimination strategy every time. Let's do one more. Yes, Rafi, that's correct. So I'm getting the answers. B. Okay, everyone says B. Why not A?
They are asking
It
negative
is
effect.
not negative effect, right, ma'am?
Exactly, because it's not in negative effects, it's a positive one. So अगर हम A की बात करें, they are talking about increased communication. That's positive. जब आप क्वेश्चन को रीड करोगे, you should be focusing only on the negative effect. आप पॉजिटिव पे फोकस नहीं करोगे. आपका टास्क क्या है? आपको क्या फाइंड करना है? नेगेटिव इफेक्ट ऑफ टेक्नोलॉजी. सो अगर हम A और D को देखें, they are both talking about positive side, right? So we will eliminate A and D. Talking about C1, improve social skills. Yes, it's again the opposite part. But when we see the B1, reduce personal interaction. Personal interaction का paraphrase version क्या दिया है para में?
Reduce
Face-to-face
interaction.
interaction.
Face-to-face interaction. So personal interaction means face-to-face interaction. And reduce का reduced ही है. Right? So you have to look for paraphrasing. You have to look for your elimination strategy. Keywords आपको help करेंगे to locate. But sometimes you won't be getting the same keyword. Technology will be present, but ऐसा नहीं है कि आपको negative effect ही given होगा. You have to look for paraphrasing. Okay, next one. Why is renewable energy not widely used? Keywords क्या है यहाँ पे? कि क्यों नहीं यूज होती widely? You have to find out.
Due to high initial cost and infrastructure challenges.
Due to high initial cost and infrastructure issues. अब issues का challenges given है. And why it is not widely used? Widely used का क्या synonym given है?
Limited.
Sorry?
Infrastructure.
No? Yes, Kushal.
Limited.
Implementation.
Limited availability.
Widely का मतलब क्या होता है? What is the meaning of widely?
High.
हाईली मैम बहुत ज्यादा मात्रा में
High.
Wide. Something that is used in many places by many things, by many, बहुत सारे लोगों, common, popular. उसे वाइडली
चौड़ा
बोलते हैं। वाइडली का मतलब क्या होता है?
हल्का
पॉपुलर।
घेरे
तो यहाँ
चौड़ा
पे, यस महादेव, व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ वाइडली? किसी भी चीज को
Use in an
वाइडली
high
यूज करना, दैट मीन्स दैट थिंग इज मोर
due to
कॉमन,
high
मोर पॉपुलर। सो इसका क्या सिनोनिम है पैरा में? मोर पॉपुलर।
due. Okay. Yeah.
यू नीड टू नो दीज बेसिक वर्ड्स जो बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है। कीवर्ड्स क्या है कि क्यों रिन्यूएबल एनर्जी वाइडली यूज नहीं हो रही? व्हाई इज रिन्यूएबल एनर्जी नॉट वाइडली यूज्ड? पैसेज में क्या दिया है? Renewable energy sources such as solar and wind are becoming popular. Their implementation remains limited. और उसका रीजन क्या है? High initial cost and infrastructure issues. So this is the exact paraphrasing का match. A वाला ऑप्शन हमें मेंशन ही नहीं है, lack of interest. C limited availability, ये भी वहां पर स्टेट नहीं किया गया. गवर्नमेंट रिस्ट्रिक्शन, ये भी गिवन नहीं है. सो इट्स अ एग्जैक्ट मैच, हाई कॉस्ट एंड इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर इश्यूज. सो दीज वर द बेसिक लेवल. ये तो बहुत ही बिगनर लेवल के एमसीक्यूज हैं. नाउ वी विल डू एडवांस लेवल फ्रॉम आवर एप्लीकेशन ओनली. लेट्स मूव टुवर्ड्स दैट. It's visible to everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, great. So question number 19 to 22. Choose the correct letter A, B, C or D. Write the correct answers in the boxes 19 to 22 on your answer sheet. Who will help me in finding this? Yes. A passage is about new perspective on bacteria. तो सबसे पहले हमारा टास्क क्या है? What is the rule number 1?
Questions we should read
Yes.
first.
Always read the questions first. What do almost all bacteria share? Almost bacteria share. These are my keywords. I'll be focusing on that. Now you have to decide your keywords and then you have to start with your skimming process. Okay.
मैम कीवर्ड्स मोस्टली
Mm-hmm.
क्या
Yes.
वर्ड्स होते हैं लाइक
Yes, Vishali?
कीवर्ड्स जैसे बहुत सारे कभी कभी क्वेश्चंस में ही बहुत ज्यादा कीवर्ड्स मार्क हो जाते हैं तो वो कंफ्यूजन
एग्जैक्टली. अब
स्टेज
देखो
होता
बैक्टीरिया, पैसेज ही बैक्टीरिया के बारे में. सो यू विल बी फाइंडिंग बैक्टीरिया एवरीवेयर. In every alternate statement, you will be finding the bacteria. But that's why I have decided 2 more keywords. They are talking about share part. Maybe I'll be getting some different word for share, but I know what is the meaning of share. Almost. What do almost all bacteria share? This is my task and I need to find कि bacteria share क्या करते हैं. What do they share almost? Now, once I was reading, I got this almost all bacteria. So मुझे एक keyword मिला. They are talking about almost. अब share क्या करते हैं? I need to look for the second keyword. Sharing की बात हो रही है. Yes. Now always look the option as well. Their simple configuration. Maybe they all have simple configuration. Their cellular organization, their survival without oxygen, and their parasitic nature. So एक आंसर तो इनमें से ही है. Start your elimination technique. कि किसका मेंशन नहीं है पैरा में. Right? You have the correct option. आपके पास correct option एक given है. तो बाकी के 3 क्यों गलत है? जस्ट अप्लाई द एलिमिनेशन स्ट्रैटेजी. Anyone who got the answer?
cellular organization.
Yes, Avrish?
सिंगल सेल है तो सेलुलर ऑर्गेनाइजेशन.
Why it is the correct one?
मैम
सिंगल सेल
in
लिखा है,
para,
सिंगल सेल.
Yes, one by one, please. Yes, Avrish was speaking. Let him speak first. Yes.
मैम सिंगल सेल है और उनका डिस्टिंक्टिव सेलुलर स्ट्रक्चर है, ट्रू न्यूक्लियस है,
Hmm.
तो उनकी सेलुलर कॉन्फ़िगरेशन सेम है.
Uh-huh. They are single-celled. Yes. Or?
दे लैकिंग ट्रू न्यूक्लियस.
They are lacking a true nucleus.
और उनका डीएनए लूप है इन साइटोप्लाज्म टू, तो इनकी जो
So
सेलुलर
what
कॉन्फ़िगरेशन
does
है वो
these statements convey? What does this statement conveys? They have a distinctive cellular structure. तो ये हमें क्या convey कर रहा है?
सेलुलर ऑर्गेनाइजेशन.
Yes. They are not talking about, let's see the option 1. Simple configuration. क्या passage says about bacteria कि हाँ alone है, pairs में है, clusters में है, not always simple. Yes. Are they talking about simple part? Eliminate करना
नो मैम.
start करो. Their
No, ma'am.
survival without oxygen. Passage में. Some need oxygen, some don't. ऐसा कुछ है?
Yes, ma'am.
Some live
Last.
where oxygen is present, others where it is absent. So क्या all bacteria से related है? No. We have to
No,
look
ma'am.
for what do almost all bacteria share. जो सब share करते हैं. हमारा task ये है find कर. Their parasitic
Yes.
nature. Parasitic
No.
nature.
No.
No. Again no. So what we got कि सारे क्या share करते हैं? Their cellular organization. Almost all bacteria, they have a similar cellular structure. देखो सबका. They are single celled. They lack the true nucleus. So that is why they are referred as cellular organization. Now find out the B1. Read the question first, look for your keywords, and then start finding it. Yes. What are the keywords here? Bacillus, Penibacillus.
Anyone?
So what shape? बहुत simple है. They are asking you for the shape. What shape would you expect from the bacterium Penibacillus to be? Spherical shape है, rod-like shape है, spiral shape है, या amorphous shape है. Shapes. अब there are 3 main kinds of bacteria. I just read it here. Shapes का कुछ यहाँ पर given है. Now what we need to find out? हमें किसका find out करना है? So we have to find it out for this one. Shape of Panibacillus. Yes. You want me to scroll down? Where it is present?
मैं उसी लाइन में था फर्स्ट वाला.
Yes. Find out.
ए यहाँ पे फाइबर के नीचे नोबल द लेटिन नेम ऑफ कॉपर्स वेसियल्स एंड स्टेरियम.
Yes. Anyone who got the answer?
B.
Why it is B? Yes. Why it's the B one?
Rod-like bacteria are called bacillus.
Mm-hmm. Yes. Mm-hmm. Where it is mentioned, which statement describes this? Yes, कोई explain करेगा कि why it is rod like?
मैम
Yes,
ये रिस्पेक्टिवली देखेंगे ना,
yes, yes,
मतलब रॉड
Abrish.
लाइक सेकंड नंबर पे है।
Mm-hmm.
मैम रिस्पेक्टिवली देखेंगे, रॉड लाइक सेकंड नंबर पे है और
Yes,
बेसिलस भी आगे सेकंड नंबर पे है।
exactly. Because उस word का suffix आपको दिया हुआ है. From the suffix, the question is actually asking you to use that word suffix. तो वो कहाँ पर given है? It is given here, right? आपको passage में
Yes, ma'am.
कहाँ given है?
Suffix.
It's here, right? These words they come from biology part. तो अगर हम इसके respective देखें, it's rod like. Coccus is different, Spirillum is spiral, and Bacillus is rod like. Okay? You need to be quick in finding these answers. These are the बहुत जल्दी keywords आप ये find कर सकते हो. Now look for the next one. Why were ancient bacteria? Now they have given specific thing. Ancient, invaluable to humans. Yes. Understand the meaning and then find out the answer. Humans. So now ancient bacteria means they are talking about the old bacteria. Invaluable means something which is extremely valuable. बहुत important. So useful that you can't measure the value. So why those ancient bacteria are so important? This is your task. You need to find it out. Now, which paragraph describes this? Quickly, आपको human search करना है, ancient bacteria के लिए skim करना है. Maybe you get the older bacteria or some other keyword. Answers are here. Are they क्यों important है? Maybe they are contributed to higher level of oxygen or they reduce the widespread industrial pollutions. तो वो जो ओल्ड बैक्टीरियाज हैं वो क्यों इतने ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट हैं टू ह्यूमंस? क्या उन्होंने इंडस्ट्रियल पॉल्यूशन रिड्यूस किया था और दे प्रोटेक्टेड ह्यूमंस फ्रॉम इंटेस्टिनल एलिमेंट्स या फिर दे प्रोवाइडेड साइंटिस्ट विद एंटीबायोटिक्स? व्हाट इज द
A, ma'am.
A? Why A is the correct answer, not any other? Mm-hmm.
2.5 billion years ago, oxygen was not sufficient to humans, but after microbes bloomed and oxygen levels rose.
Hmm.
Um,
Yes. So once
that
you
is the
read
reason.
this paragraph B, once the plants inhabited the oceans, oxygen levels they rose dramatically. So complex life forms could eventually be sustained. So ancient microbes के बारे में बात की गई है यहाँ पे. Ancient microbes, photosynthesis, oxygen production. ये देखो. सो उससे क्या हुआ? ऑक्सीजन प्रोड्यूस हुई, लाइफ पॉसिबल हुई. अर्थ कंटेन अ वेरी लिटिल ऑक्सीजन अंटिल अराउंड 2.5 billion years ago. So without them, humans would not exist. So ये हुआ किसकी वजह से? All this happened because of the bacteria. Now, why other are wrong? Pollution, industrial pollution से related कुछ mention है?
No, ma'am.
No. Intestinal protection?
No, ma'am.
No. Antibiotics? No,
No,
this is
ma'am.
actually a modern discovery. No. So what's the core idea? Ancient bacteria, they are the life creators basically, right? Humans wouldn't exist agar oxygen na hota. So they contributed to higher level of oxygen. Now next, how prevalent are microbes? Look for the keyword. So how prevalent are microbes means how common they are, how widely they exist. Prevalent means something which is very common, which is found everywhere. And microbes, they are the bacteria, the viruses, all living like tiny living organisms. So how common they are. So you have to look. Maybe you do not get the same word prevalent, but yes, you can find the different one. You want me to scroll? Yes, I will. So sorry. They are talking about microbes here. Not at all. That means they are not common at all. They are somewhat prevalent. They are very prevalent and they are extremely. Yes. So they were found kilometers below the earth crust. So that means they are found below earth and in the upper atmosphere also. Surprisingly, they survive in dry desert and frozen reaches of Antarctica. They dwell in rain and snow, clouds, as well as inside every living creature.
D.
It now seems that the number of microbe species far exceeds the number of stars. So what does it means?
It means
not
D.
at all तो हो नहीं सकता. Let's have our elimination. Are
Extremely.
they talking about not at all? नहीं, ऐसा तो है ही.
No.
Are they talking about somewhat common?
No,
No.
ma'am.
Are they talking about very common?
No.
Are they
No.
talking about extremely common?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Because सारी जगह present है. They are talking about everywhere. Under the earth, kilometers below the earth. Upper atmosphere में भी है, desert में भी है, Antarctica में भी है, inside every living creature. And even they exceeds the number of stars. So extreme conditions में भी है, huge numbers में भी है, everywhere they are present. तो अगर हम उसे स्केल करें ऑन अ रेटिंग, नॉट एट ऑल हो ही नहीं सकता, सम वॉट भी नहीं हो सकता, वेरी भी नहीं हो सकता. दे आर टॉकिंग अबाउट एक्सट्रीमली, राइट? उनकी इंटेंसिटी बहुत ज्यादा है. दे आर इन नंबर. क्लियर? यस प्लीज. कोई डाउट, कोई क्वेरी?
No, ma'am.
So let's
Clear.
check our answers and they are correct. So now you got an idea how you're supposed to find your multiple choice question. Let's do one more practice. Yes, anyone? कोई doubt, कोई query?
हाँ जी मैम, मेरा क्वेश्चन है, मैं जब ये रीडिंग करता हूँ तो एमसीक्यू जो है ना, मोस्ट ऑफ ज्यादा मेरे गलत होते हैं मैम.
So now you have to apply this strategy. अब आप इस strategy से जब
Okay.
करना start करोगे, you will not get your answers incorrect.
Okay मैम.
Now we have 32 to 36. Choose the correct letter A, B, C or D. Yes. Start reading the question. You have to tell me the keywords now. What are the keywords? A name of a person is given. Ian
One name.
White. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Mm-hmm.
Says one aim.
Yes, you have to identify the purpose, the aim behind that action. Right?
Yes, ma'am.
Releasing 40 dormice. So that is basically they're talking about the letting that small animals, that 40 small animals, and Wensleydale is the location. So you have to find that one aim, one reason, one goal. What is that one reason? Mm-hmm. Yes.
40 dormice.
Are they talking about the first one? Allow the people to observe the animals in the future. Observing animal. Let's look for the trap. See the first option. Was his aim to allow public to observe the animals in the future? Or C1, is he testing whether the area is sufficient for a large group?
No.
Mm-hmm.
मैम डी है इसका.
I think last. Yeah, ma'am.
Which statement describes this?
मैम आई थिंक डी.
Why D is the correct one, not any other? What was his aim? However, a distinctive factor of this release, White explained, is the intention of linking up with another released dormouse population 3 miles away by managing the land between. So what was his main aim? क्या उसका main aim था? To allow the people to observe the animals in the future? क्या intention था उसका?
The
Was
goal
he
is to
testing whether the area is sufficient for a large group?
Maybe, ma'am.
Was he
Intention
experimenting?
of linking up with
Yes, he was
population 3
actually
miles
linking
away.
up. Yes, linking up means that he is connecting the population, another population nearby.
Yes, ma'am. His
Mix-
intention.
Yes, he's actually mixing the groups. Right? So observing animals, it's incorrect. Testing area, there was no testing idea. ऐसा कुछ नहीं था. Was he talking about some new methods? No.
No,
They
ma'am.
get the group to mix with others that live nearby. So they can manage the landscape, right? They can manage that land.
Yes, ma'am.
So D is the correct one. You have
मैम
to
यही
skim
प्रॉब्लम
your
होती है
paragraph
जैसे.
quickly. Yes.
मैम यही प्रॉब्लम होती है मेरे साथ. मैं ना मतलब ऐसे ऑप्शन जो है वो सिलेक्ट कर लेता हूँ ऐसे पढ़ के, लेकिन उसको क्लैरिफाई नहीं कर पाता हूँ कि क्यों वो आंसर है.
Exactly. तो आपको paraphrasing spot करनी है. Linking up with another means they are talking about the mix with another nearby group. Guys, IELTS is all about paraphrasing. I told you before also, reading और listening ऐसे section है जहां पे आपको paraphrasing दे रखी है. You need to just spot it. Paraphrasing check करना बहुत जरूरी है. Otherwise, you won't be able to get, and you have to do the skimming quickly. आपको फर्स्ट पैरा में नहीं मिला, यू हैव टू मूव टू द सेकंड नहीं मिला, यू हैव टू मूव टू द थर्ड. स्किम जल्दी से जल्दी करो. व्हाट्स द मेन एम ऑफ वाइट? नाउ लेट्स स्टार्ट रीडिंग द नेक्स्ट वन. कॉपिसिंग इज मेंशन इन द फोर्थ पैराग्राफ. ऐसे क्वेश्चन आते हैं, कितना अच्छा फील होता है ना. आपको कहीं ढूंढने की जरूरत नहीं. यू जस्ट नीड टू लुक फॉर द फोर्थ पैराग्राफ. Is mentioned in the fourth paragraph as an example of. किसका example है? Why it is mentioned? Why it is mentioned? Is this fourth paragraph? Let's see. Yes, here it is. Now remember question क्या है? कि coppicing is mentioned in the fourth paragraph as an example of. So you need to find out कि वो क्यों mention है. Coppicing क्या है ये आपका question नहीं है. What is coppicing is not your question. Why it is mentioned as an example ये आपका question है. So look for the options. How changes in their natural habitat have affected dormouse numbers? You have to find out. What was often in woodland in the past to help dormouse survive? What is the real purpose? Why it is mentioned as an example?
It's provide food and plenty of light.
Yes.
That is the reason help to dormouse survive. Yes,
So
ma'am.
what is the result? Why it is mentioned as an example? पहले क्या हुआ? Check करो. Woodlands were traditionally managed through real cutting back certain trees to ground level to stimulate. This system was known as coppicing. तो ये तो coppicing का definition. As an added bonus, it happened to provide variety food and plenty of light for dormice. ठीक है? तो dormice की help हुई, right? But the practice
Yes, ma'am.
has been largely lost with much remaining woodland sliced up by road, railways and fields. Practice थोड़ी stop भी हो गई, right?
Yes,
उसके
ma'am.
बाद क्या हुआ?
Yes, ma'am. Roads,
Sliced up by
railways,
roads,
and
railways. So habitat थोड़ा सा बता रहे हैं, destroy भी हुआ होगा. England also had more than 50% of its hedgerows dug up between 46 to 93 as small fields were combined to make large ones and farmland was sold for building projects. All this had an adverse effect on dormouse population. So what does this conveys?
yeah, first one,
Dormouse.
ma'am. Yeah.
So how changes in the natural habitat
Means
have
habitat.
affected the dormouse number?
Dormouse
पहले good
numbers.
habitat था, but उसके बाद जो loss हुआ, there's a decline. So what's the real purpose? They are explaining you the habitat part, right? Are they talking about only the relative importance of woodland hedges in the countryside? Are they talking
No,
about the particular type of trees that grow best in the English climate? No. What was often in the woodland in the past to help the dormice? It's also a trap. ठीक है, ये उसका पर्पस नहीं था.
okay.
द पर्पस इज कि कैसे चेंजेस हुए हैबिटेट में और उसकी वजह से कैसे डॉर्माउस के नंबर्स कम हुए, डिक्लाइन हुआ. यस एवरीवन, एनी डाउट इन द 33? यस.
No,
Now
ma'am.
read the next
No.
one.
No.
Why does white support widespread reintroduction of dormice? क्यों सपोर्ट करा था? They are animals that can be easily bred with captivity. The steps taken to help them will also benefit many other animals. The public will be more likely to go for walks in the woods and fields. They are animals that should particularly attract younger children. So why does he support the reintroduction of dormice? क्यों support करा white ने? Why
मैम बी
did
है इसका
Wine supports reintroduction?
मैम बी है इसका आंसर
Where it is given? You have to tell me the paragraph. I don't know the paragraph. Where it is given? बी क्यों है?
Fifth line is good for a large range of
It's
species.
here in the statement. It's very important that we introduce the dorm house. And now
Yes,
you have
ma'am.
to start doing the skimming part. So what's good is because they are good species. There are large range of species. Yes. Yes, Kushal.
मैम
Now
इधर
you.
लिखा है डॉर्मिस इज गुड फॉर ए लार्ज रेंज ऑफ स्पीसीज.
Now let's see first by one. First one, they are animals that can easily be bred in captivity. So are they talking about breeding part?
नो
Breeding.
मैम.
Yes. Dormice का
No.
reintroduction होना, that means helping the dormice. Are they talking about breeding part? No. Second one, the steps taken to help them and also benefit many other animals. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Uh-huh.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Where it is given?
Sixth line, ma'am.
Read.
They promote good woodland management, and what's good for dormants is good for a large range of species.
Yes.
Oh, okay.
Now see the third one. The public will be more likely to go for walks in the woods and fields.
If you don't have money, you are not my honey. जिसके लिए शलाका ने अपने पति
Please
और
mute
बेटी को
yourself.
धोखा दिया
Who's
और
this?
कंपनी के पैसे चुरा चुरा कर उस पर लुटाती रही
Who's
और फिर
this?
अचानक ऐसा क्या हुआ कि रमन ने सबके सामने ये कह दिया
Abhi, you need to mute yourself.
जो कह
Ma'am, it's little bit there, but it's not for the white
So that is
support,
why
ma'am.
I'm telling you to eliminate the wrong options. Can it be the
Yeah.
first one? Are they talking about breeding part? Is this a main reason that he supported the reintroduction of dormice? No.
No,
Let's
ma'am.
see the B1. The steps taken to help them will also benefit
Yes, ma'am.
many other animals. Okay, let's keep it कि ये correct हो सकता है. Third one, the public will be more likely to go for walks in the woods and fields. Are they talking about people walking, the public walking?
No,
That they
ma'am.
can walk? No, we will directly eliminate. D1, they are animals that should particularly attract younger children. Children. Are they talking about something related to children part? Attracting the children?
No, ma'am.
No. Now, focus on the first.
No, man.
Yes, focus on the B1. Steps taken to help them will also benefit many other animals. So that means you are not just helping the one species, you are actually benefiting many species. You are helping dormice, you are helping the entire ecosystem. They promote good woodland management, and what's good for dormice is good for a large range of species. So what our answer will be?
बी.
B. Right?
Yes, ma'am.
क्यों introduce किया गया था? So that they can help, they can benefit many other animals, all the species. एक को help नहीं कर रहे, but you are actually helping
All
many.
the species.
Yes. Now look for the 35th. What does Helen Meek hope that the Dormis project will lead to? Now you have a name here, so it's easier for you to find out. It's given here also. What does he hope that project will lead to? So basically,
I think
yes, find out.
ए है मैम इसमें.
Why it's A, you need to tell the reason.
मैम
See the
इधर उसने
options. An
दिया हुआ है.
increase in the population of the most common species.
मैम इधर लिखा हुआ है उसने would increase people familiarity with living with more wild animal once again. People wildlife experience is becoming limited to seeing graying skulls and pigeon. She explained.
Okay, let's see one by one. First option, an increase in the populations of the most common species. क्या common species का increase होना, is this the what projects lead to? You have to find out.
No.
Helen Meek is here and he's talking about the project here only. Second, a public who are used to sharing their environment with wildlife. A general awareness of the need to reintroduce large animals soon. Start reading it here. Helen Meek is given here. Such reintroduction would increase, देखो क्या हुआ, would increase people's familiarity with living with more wild animals once again. So passage क्या कह रहे हैं? They are actually talking about familiarity with wildlife. Because you are living with more wild animals, you used to share environment. क्या उस प्रोजेक्ट का एम इंक्रीज इन पॉपुलेशन ऑफ द मोस्ट कॉमन स्पीशीज है? यस,
No, ma'am.
नो. A public who are used to sharing their environment with the wildlife. Yes, peoples.
Yes,
They are
ma'am.
actually talking about increasing the people's familiarity with more wild animals. क्या general awareness of the need to reintroduce large animals soon? No.
No,
No.
ma'am.
A willingness to spend time improving natural landscape in the UK? No.
No.
No, ma'am.
So what is his intention is why this supported is because of people's familiarity with more wild animals. So the correct answer is B1. Look for the 36. What is suggested about wolves returning to the UK? क्या suggest किया गया है about wolves? Now start reading. I got the wolves here. Sorry, here. Returning to the UK. Read the options so that you can eliminate also quickly. If somewhere else also you find the wolf, please let me know. What is suggested about wolves returning to the UK?
Ma'am, fourth one, ma'am. D.
Why it is the fourth one?
Their presence could revive some damaged environments. Britain has lost many key species that are critical for healthy ecosystems. Here, of some species, conservationists have been reintroduced, proposing to reintroduce.
Okay, so you talked about this statement, right? Any other statements which describe this? Anybody else? What's the correct answer? Which answer you have chosen, Kushal? A?
D, ma'am.
D. Okay, let's see the options.
Yes,
The
ma'am.
best solution would be to keep them in a secure wildlife park. Okay.
No,
They
ma'am.
would definitely need to be kept far away from humans. There is only one area of the UK which would accept them. Their presence could revive some damaged environments. So what they are talking? क्या बात हो रही है wolves के बारे में? Yes. Anybody else? So over centuries, Britain has lost many key species that are critical for healthy ecosystem. Here are some of the species conservationists have reintroduced or are proposing to reintroduce. कौन सी है वो? Yes, everyone, I want your answers, please. Yes. Yes, Avrish, where are you? I got only from Kushal.
मैम डी है,
हम्म
डी है मैम इसका।
वाई डी? दैट इज व्हाट आई एम आस्किंग, वही तो मैं पूछ रही हूँ आपसे कि डी क्यों है।
मैम उसमें हेल्थी इकोसिस्टम दिया हुआ है,
हम्म ओके।
आवर सेंसिटिविटीज हैज लॉस्ट, और इधर डैमेज भी दिया हुआ है मैम।
डैमेज किधर दिया हुआ है?
इसमें लिखा हुआ है ना मैम, their presence could revive some damaged environment।
तो पैसेज में कहाँ दिया है कि उनकी प्रेजेंस से कुछ रिवाइव हो जाएगा डैमेज एनवायरनमेंट?
मैम यहाँ पे दिया हुआ है वुडलैंड,
हम्म
नीचे है वुडलैंड। हाँ जी, वुडलैंड हैबिटेट वुड मेक अ थ्रेट टू लाइव स्टॉक ऑफ
हम्म
ह्यूमन अनलाइकली।
हम्म Okay, let's Kushal explain one more time. Yes, Kushal.
Ma'am, even I use element means I should eliminate the other options as well. In this, their presence could reveal some damaged environments in wolves, bison, or mouse. But let's start with species that will have a lighter impact for now.
Yes.
Over centuries, Britain has lost many key species that are critical for healthy ecosystems.
Exactly. Yes. So they are actually talking about the revive ecosystem. They can restore it. So make it healthy ecosystem. A wildlife park, a option is not mentioned. Again, the second one is they would definitely need to be kept for far away from humans. No, there's actually a low risk. They did not mention about this part. Then see, there is only one area of the UK which would accept them. Only one area? No. Right? So over centuries, Britain has lost many species that are critical for healthy ecosystem. So critical to restoration ecosystem की बात हुई है यहाँ पर. So ecosystem, wolves are basically the ecosystem, the repairing agents. Right? So that's why D is the correct answer. I hope now you got कि कैसे आपको अपने आंसर्स को फाइंड आउट करना है इन द मल्टीपल चॉइस. यस प्लीज. कोई डाउट, कोई क्वेरी है तो प्लीज लेट मी नो रिगार्डिंग multiple choice question. In tomorrow's session we will be doing summary part, summary completion. Sometimes you have to find out the purpose कि question का purpose क्या है. Definition आपको नहीं दी होती. Why did the writer includes this? वो आपका टास्क होता है, राइट? कभी आपको सारे ऑप्शन सेम पैराग्राफ में मिल सकते हैं, बट कभी नहीं मिलेंगे, तो एजम्पशन नहीं लगानी, राइट? यू हैव टू फाइंड आउट, एलिमिनेट करो रॉन्ग वाले ऑप्शंस को. ऑप्शन सिमिलर लगते हैं बट यू हैव टू रीड कि क्या इसमें ब्रीडिंग से रिलेटेड कुछ है या फिर इसमें कुछ और गिवन है. टाइम स्ट्रैटेजी शुड बी मैक्सिमम 1 to 2 minutes. आप इससे ज्यादा स्टक नहीं हो सकते. You have to skip and then you have to come back again to the question. ठीक है? आपके सारे आंसर सिर्फ और सिर्फ पैसेज पे बेस्ड है. MCQs गलत तब होते हैं जब आपकी अप्रोच गलत होती है. इफ यू आर अप्लाइंग द राइट अप्रोच, क्वेश्चन फर्स्ट स्ट्रैटेजी, कीवर्ड्स हंटिंग, एलिमिनेशन टेक्निक और पैराफ्रेजिंग स्किल्स, अगर आपने आज के सेशन में ये सारी चीजें अप्लाई करी हैं, even if you do all these, सब अप्लाई करते हो while doing your MCQ part, I can bet you that आपका MCQ strongest area बन सकता है in your reading module, right? Yes. Anyone? I want now feedback from all of you regarding today's session. Yes, please. Did you find it helpful?
Yes, ma'am. It is very
Yes,
helpful
ma'am.
to find in easy method.
Thank you so
Yes,
much.
ma'am.
I will be coming up with all these type of sessions so that it can help you out and you can have a better strategies and better scores. Okay? किसी को कोई
Okay,
डाउट,
ma'am.
कोई क्वेरी, प्लीज लेट मी नो.
नो मैम, जस्ट कि वो थोड़ा सा कंफ्यूजिंग हो
Yes,
जाता है
all
ऑप्शन
all you
एंड
need to do is practice. देखो, आइल्स आपकी इंग्लिश को टेस्ट नहीं करता, इट इज एक्चुअली टेस्टिंग योर स्मार्ट रीडिंग, राइट? अगर तुम स्मार्ट हो तो डायरेक्शन चाहिए आपको, जो अब आपको मिल गई है, राइट? यू ऑल आर स्मार्ट पीपल. You need to just have a good strategy and the direction which you already have now. So just start applying to your questions. आज की प्रैक्टिस में आपको ये करना है कि जितने टेस्ट आप कर सकते हो, इट्स अप टू यू. सिर्फ और सिर्फ एमसीक्यूज को पिक करो एंड स्टार्ट प्रैक्टिसिंग, बस. द होल एंटायर पैसेज तो मैंने भी अभी तक आपको नहीं कराया और आपको करना भी नहीं है. यू जस्ट नीड टू डू एमसीक्यूज, बस. Okay, so now tomorrow we will be meeting with the new topic, summary completion. Bye, see you all tomorrow.
Hello, ma'am. Thank you.
Bye-bye, ma'am.
Okay, thank you, ma'am.